Welcome, Gernot, to Flex Innovations team. All our employees at Flex Innovations, all our team members at Flex Innovations are extremely excited to have you on board. Your interpretation for flight, your feeling for flight, your overall understanding about flight and designing really matches the core of our company. We're very excited to have you demonstrating our products there in Europe, interacting with existing customers in Europe or potential customers. It will be a great benefit for the company, and we're really looking forward to what it comes. By now, we have talked many times over the phone. I know you're very excited, as we are. And so I would like to know, what's your thoughts about Flex Innovations and this new chapter for you?
Hello everyone, I have some really exciting news for all of you for 2025. I'm going to join Team Flex Innovations and coming together with Kike Somencini, one of my big childhood idols. I met him for the first time in 2006 at the XFC in the USA, and it was a great honor for me to share the podium at the end of this competition. In the last year, I stayed in contact with him by phone and we handed out some really nice ideas. I'm looking forward to a new and great year, presenting their planes, if foam or wooden planes, here in Europe, together with the company HEP from Austria, on different air shows or competitions. So I'm looking forward to a great new year, and let's enjoy our great hobby together and have some fun. So thank you very much and see you all soon. Bye bye.